Does Dollar Tree Kiss Nails and bonding glue work? As you can see, while I give my review, I'm installing my very second set in the same color applied last week. Apparently, they come in two lengths. This is my second set in the short length. Do Kiss Nails work? Yes, but there is a notable con. Most of the nail tips become flimsy. They did not break, but they would bend back and forth, so I had to clip the tips and file them evenly. Other than that, they were fine. I love the deep plum color. The color goes very well with my skin tone. In fact, I believe it would go well with any skin tone. Now on to the bonding glue. I think the bonding glue is excellent for the short term. I installed the nails on Tuesday, February 12th. I did not lose my first nail until Sunday, February 17th. After that, I lost a couple more. But keep in mind, I knocked them around quite a bit with doing my normal daily activities, including DIYs. It is noted on the back of the packaging recommending the nails are not to be worn past 7 days. My nails began falling on day 5, but I removed the remaining nails on day 6. This may be a con for some, but for me this still isn't too bad because my use for them would be for a special occasion or event in which I would not have time to do my natural nails. Okay, now my thoughts. The set of Kiss Nails I installed may have been defective, and that's why they became flimsy at the tips. I say that simply because a few of them did not have tips that became flimsy. This is one reason I'm trying them again, and the other is because I do like them. And they save me from doing my own nails for a few days, including painting them because as we know, Kiss Nails come in a few nice colors. My conclusion is for $2, it's a great manicure for the short term, and you should give them a try. In this Kiss Nail install that I'm doing now, thus far only one nail had a flimsy tip. I'm also finding this set of nails are almost more true to size than the previous set. I almost forgot, removal with acetone as instructed was easy, leaving the nail surface intact without glue residue. Because of cost, appearance, durability for the short term, and easy application, Kiss Nails are now a convenient go-to without having to go to a salon, having to pay more. I hope you enjoyed this Kiss Nails review. Please like, comment, and share. If you'd like to see more videos like this and my creative DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.